How to find hidden chats on Viber. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to view hidden chats on Viber, firstly open the Viber application on your device. Now, while hiding a chat, you are required to set a PIN, and without the PIN, you will not be able to access the hidden chats. To view the hidden chats, there are two ways. First way is tap on the search bar and then search in the name of the contact you have hidden. And you will be asked to enter the 4-digit PIN. Go ahead and enter the PIN and you will be able to access the hidden chats. The next way is to tap on the search bar again and this time enter the PIN number instead of the name of the contact and you will see the hidden contact. The cross-eye symbol simply means that this contact is hidden, so you can tap on that and view the chat further. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.